Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. This is my July Boxycharm. This is the look I got with all my products in this box. If you want to hear my thoughts and what I got in my box, please keep on watching. You'll see some goodies that I got, some interesting products. There's a very high priced box. There's something in here that's $135 retail value, so that's crazy that I paid $21 a month, or $25 I think now, for this box. I'm getting $100 products. Awesome, love it. Keep on watching to see what I got in my July Boxycharm and my thoughts on the products and how I got this interesting eye look. Pain in the ass to get, by the way, but don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'd love to have you on the channel. Hit the notification bell so you're alerted when I post new videos. Follow my social media, all that good stuff in the description box down below. I'm almost at 100 subs, guys. Please, my goal is 100 subs by the end of August. Get me there. Subscribe if you see this and you're not already. Share me, like this, turn the notifications on. It all helps me grow here on YouTube, and I'm really here to make a community. So please get me there. Like this video. Do I have to say it again? Keep on watching for my July Boxycharm. It came late this month, so this video is going up a little late. So for that, I'm sorry, but keep on watching to see how I got this look and what came in my box this month. Okay, so the theme of the box is sunshine. So the first thing in here is a Grace and Stella, it's like a drink for your eyes eye mask. It's heavy. Oh, wow. There's like a bunch of them in there. 12 pairs. So there's 24 eye masks in here. It says suffering from dark circles. Yes. Puffy eye bags. Yes. Fine lines and general fatigue. Yes. So it says the pack of 12 is $21. They come in a pack like this, 1 and 2. So let's get these bad boys on my eyes. Okay, so they're just like little rubber guys. You've done eye masks before. And they instantly feel so good on my eyes. Wow. Just cooling. Like they have a, you know, it's cold. They're moisturizing, you know, all the good stuff. Let's put the oh, it feels so good. Ugh. On here it says cleanse, makeup, leave on for 15 to 20 minutes. So I'm gonna leave these bad boys on for 15 to 20 minutes and I will be right back. While these are on and working, I want to talk about the next thing in the box. We have well, these are on and doing their thing. I want to talk about the next thing in the box. It is a lavish color switch. It's just that little tin that has like this like foamy stuff in there where you can dip your brush in there after you dip into a color and it'll clean it off. So I've never used one of these before, so I'm super excited to get this because super excited to get this so I can try it. It says it's $17 and it says with this color switch dry brush cleaner you can quickly remove powder, pigments from makeup, brushes without water, reusable and washable. So super excited to try this out. I will try it today on camera for you guys, but just wanted to talk about that while I'm sitting here waiting for these eye patches to do their magic. All right, I'm going to take these off. It's been about 10 to 15 minutes. It's been about 12 minutes. It says to massage any leftover essence. And I'm just patting it very lightly. I like those. My under eyes are a problem area for me. So they're not going to be super, I'm not expecting, you know, anything crazy. I'm looking in a mirror right now. Maybe a little, not too much. I'm going to be honest, not much. Maybe with prolonged use, I will see some changes. But right off the bat, none. Still really excited to get them. That's one of the things that I don't think about buying for myself, like hydrating like eye masks. And I can use these 12 times. Like, it's a big box. So I like that. I like that inclusion into this into this box. The next thing we're going to get into before I put a full face on and we do the last thing is this 111 Skin Harley Street London Pollution Defense Booster. It comes in this box. Oh, and it's this little like glass thing here. Let's read about it. Well, first of all, it says it's $135. So, wow. A daytime booster to fortify your skin against harmful aggressors of the digital age. Shield skin against blue light pollution. Maybe I need this. You know, I work in an office. I work from home in front of my computer literally all day. But let's put this on. Just a teeny bit. Hold on. I want to feel if it's oily. Oh, it's sticky. I don't know. Hopefully it's a good primer. It says it's $135 though, so I would have literally never bought it without getting it in this box. It is very slick on the skin because it literally feels like slime. Really, really tackiness. A little bit on my forehead. It makes me think of like, a snail, like snail slime. That's so weird. Shake well. Well, I did not shake this. Okay, great. Again, I don't think it's one of those things that I'm gonna see like a change right now. I will tell you my skin feels really sticky, so I'm gonna get some foundation on this real quick. But it also like is giving me a nice healthy glow. I see that. All right, let's get some foundation on my face and we'll be back for the last couple products in this box. Okay, I just popped back on because I'm doing my bronzer. And I've noticed I'm getting like red all right here. And I have a full face of foundation and concealer and powder on. And the red's peeking through, so I thought it was the eye patches. But if you notice, this is bronzed right here. I didn't blend yet, but all right here, like there's a line of redness all right here. So something tells me it's the serum that we received, like, and it kind of is painful and it's hard. Like I don't know, something's going on here. My skin feels really weird right now, and it like I'm red here. My bronzer's not blended yet, don't look at that, but I'm all red right here, and my concealer and powder stuck really weird where I had that under eye mask. So I'm not sure what's going on here, but you can clearly see my bronzer, my concealer and my powder stuck right here. It's just like, you can tell exactly where it's just like stuck. I don't know. Something's going on with this. I'm going to finish my face and I will be back and we can discuss it. We'll keep an eye on it. Just wanted to put that out there. Be right back. Okay, so full face on, eyebrows are on. Something's going on weird, y'all. It's gotta be this because the reaction's happening on my forehead too, and I didn't put the under eye masks there. So something in this is not sitting well with my skin. I'm gonna try it one more time on a different occasion, and then if it still does it, I'm gonna have to give it away or something. My skin, like there was redness all up here, all right here. I don't know, y'all. $135, you think it'd work, but the next thing in the box is this Ciate London Everyday Vacay Dewy Coconut Setting Mist. Looks like this. Really, really pretty bottle. I like this a lot. And I figured I'm going to use this to set my face down. Where's that card at? The card says that this is $22. Set and refresh your makeup with Ciate London's Everyday Vacay Setting Spray infused with coconut. Ultrafine mist. Okay, so my skin don't really like coconut, but let's try it out, shall we? Oh, it smells very good. It makes me think of a tropical vacation, so good name for this. It also kind of smells like, if you're old enough to drink, like Malibu, you know what I'm saying? I mean, I'll try this until I get a reaction from it. So always good to get one of those. A setting spray you don't have to worry about picking up. Love it. Like it. Glad it's in the box. Our final item in the box is this Pure Festival 2.0 palette. I have the Festival one from before because we received one of these in a Boxycharm. The packaging is wild. Really, really like that. And here are the colors. This purple, you already know, is calling my name. Let's swatch, shall we? Oh, that feels kind of dry. I mean, you can't deny it, she ain't there. Let's see this blue Utopia color. Ooh, ooh, love that. That's going on my eye today. Let's get this VIP Pass, this dark green. Also very pretty. And let's do a matte here. Oh, the swatches were a mess. I'm gonna get my brushes and we will put this on my eyes. All right, I moved closer so you guys can see, but we're gonna go in with this pinky shade right here called Dreamland. Holy, a lot comes up on the brush. My eyes were already primed with foundation and concealer and some powder. Okay, so this is not nearly as vibrant as I wanted it to be. That is a little disappointing. Okay, with 2 layers built up, it gives me more of the color I'm looking for. I'm going to do this on the other eye. I'll be back for the next step. Okay, honestly, I think it looks pretty, excuse my mirror. I think it looks pretty good blended out like this. Now, we're gonna color switch. Oh my God, okay. Do I just go like this and get all the color off? Nothing, literally nothing on my hands. Wow, that's exciting. I'm gonna use the same brush because we just color switched it. And we're gonna go in with this darker pink here, and we're gonna put that right in the crease. We're gonna darken up the crease a little bit. Let's get this, tuck that right in the crease, give us some dimension, and this is going on vibrant right away. I'm doing literal the teeniest bit. We just want to darken that up. Definitely pink. I mean, that's clear that this bad boy is pink. We are pink today, boys. I'm gonna do that on the other eye and I will be right back. And before we move on, just to clean it up, I'm gonna color switch these bad boys. This is awesome. It's gonna save me so much time cleaning my brushes, which I hate to do. Love it. And they get like fluffy. Next, on a flat packer brush, I'm going to get this purple shade here. It is shimmer, so I'm going to get it on a packer brush. And I'm going to use our new Ciate London Summer Vacay Must Spray, whatever. Ooh. Whatever it's called. I'm going to put this on the outer part of my eye. Please excuse if you can see my mirror. I'm trying very hard to not let that happen. All right, code red. We do have some fallout here. And we just want to pack this on the outside. That's actually really pretty. Like, really pretty. The purple is crumbling all over my shirt. Okay, nice. Nice. Now for the front half of my eye, I'm going to go in with this blue color called Utopia. Very excited about this one. This is the most exciting shade in the palette for me. And it's also crumbly, so I'm going to spray this as well. Ooh. Ooh. This one seems to be like a glitter. Whereas the purple really was not. Oh. Sorry, that was covering the whole time. Nice. Also some fallout, and because it's glitter, it's just glitter fallout on my face. Let me try my finger. There we go. That's the ticket. Wow. So much more intense. I'm going to do that with the purple too. Maybe that'll help. The moment I touch this blue with a brush, like a fluffy brush to blend out the edges, it falls off. So I would recommend a glitter glue with this, which I don't have one at the moment. I have a new one coming in the mail. All in all, I think it's really pretty. I'm going to fix this up, do the other eye, and I'll be right back. Okay, here's my eye look done. I'm not gonna lie, that palette was a nightmare to work with. It crumbled out of the pan. I'm not sure if you could tell, like it looks thick and chunky, even the purple. It crumbled out of the pan. It fell all over. I have it all over my my chest and my shirt, and you know, on my face you can see some residual fallout on my face. This was a actual nightmare to work with. I think that the blue color would have been better if I had a glitter glue. So that might be my fault, but the purple did the same thing. So I don't know if maybe go in with a good glitter glue before you use this. But the mattes, I used this peachy and this like hot pink. They were okay. I enjoyed those, but I you know, these two right here were an actual nightmare to use. And for reference, that palette cost $36. I can't even, like, you can tell the difference between, like, I couldn't blend them. This eye is so much more vibrant than this eye because the fallout was just so bad. So, you know, I actually hate this makeup. This is actually embarrassing to be putting on the internet. But that's the last thing in this box, guys. This was my July Boxycharm. I really liked it when I first previewed the items, and then after using them I'm a little confused and concerned. This, fine, like it. The eye patches, like it. The color switch, 10 out of 10, love that. I don't know if this serum actually caused irritation. I'm gonna have to keep an eye on this and monitor use with that. But also, this palette was the biggest flop in the box for me. I get so excited when I see palettes in the boxes because I'm like, oh, you know, I wouldn't look at this and buy this. It gives me a chance to use it and play around with it and keep it in my collection. But my God, was this difficult to use. Anybody that has a, you know, you're not really experienced with makeup, you're gonna have a awful time trying to put this on. This is a tough one. This is tough. That's it for this video, everyone. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'd love to have you back here on the channel. We are almost at 100 subs. Please make my goal be reached by the end of August. I want 100 subs. Share me with your friends, family. Recommend me, like the video, comment, subscribe, follow me on my social medias. Let's get this channel to 100 subs before the end of August. I love you guys so much. Everyone that watches, I'm so appreciative of, and it, you know, it really means a lot. A lot of work goes into this. I work a full-time job, come home and do this and edit all day, and you know, it's a second job that makes no money, and that's fine. I'm not here to make money, but I want to grow a community. And this is the first step to doing so. So like, comment, subscribe, get my YouTube algorithm working so I can show up in more feeds and really, you know, build the community that I want. But that's it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.